This video is brought to you by Tucktec, the completely foldable kayak. Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. Today's video sponsor, Tucktec, sent me their Pro Model folding kayak. This kayak is completely foldable and relatively easy to set up. It's extremely light at only 26 pounds and it can handle up to 300 pounds. It rolls up and can easily fit into pretty much any car, light enough to hang off your bike or hike with. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a deal, use the link in the description, get a good deal on this. It helps support my channel at the same time, which I appreciate sincerely. The Tucktec Pro Foldable Kayak is made in the USA and they have been great to work with. They offer live US customer service. Tucktec claims that the kayak can be folded thousands of times, so that translates into many years of use. The first time setting it up, I had a little bit of trouble, but the second time was really quick and easy. I messed up some of the latches, but later went back and fixed them. Even with some of the latches not quite right, it held up in the water really well. This thing is very sturdy. Initially it feels a bit strange, there is some flex to this. I feel like it should be a little bit extra careful, but eventually I got comfortable and it felt pretty normal. I had zero leaks inside and the flexible design made pushing off and getting in and out a bit easier. The seat is adjustable and so far feels pretty good. You're going to want to watch the instruction video while you're setting this up to figure out how to do it the first time. After that, you shouldn't have any problems. The kayak included a life preserver and paddle, and both worked really well and looked pretty good too. The paddle breaks down so it's easy to travel with. I'm pretty tall, and even being over 6 foot tall, the kayak still worked okay for my height and weight. Being out in this kayak had me smiling the whole time. It has a little extra level of excitement to it. Pretty innovative, and I can quickly break it down and set it up now. After a few times of using it, you can figure out quickly how to get it nice and clean when you put it away. A quick towel can dry it and you're good to go in pretty much any vehicle, even really clean ones. Overall, pretty great experience. Thank you Tucktec for sending this over for me to check out. It's been fun out in the water and definitely will be keeping this in the 4Runner. Thanks for watching everyone. Use the link in the comments or description to get a good deal on this and one of these kayaks and help support my channel at the same time. Don't forget you can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button, and most important, click that bell icon so that when I make new videos, you get the good news before you spend your money on something you regret.